Okay. This is Animal Paradise. um, I'm here at one farm like this. we I came to couple some machines. I think there's a chaff cutter, um, a chaff cutter, a medium-sized chaff cutter, not small, not big. This chaff cutter is operating with a gasoline petrol engine. Yeah, they were all here. We've coupled it, but I want to go and show the farm. This is a pelletizer. This is a single phase pelletizer. Single phase. This machine is single phase. Single phase means small pelletizer. It has two rollers inside there. That thing has its name, but I'm not sure I know the name of that thing. The one we are having has 4 inside, and then it is 3 phase. And so if you are in Nigeria, you want to buy a pelletizer, I think it's better to buy this single phase pelletizer, and the small ones. That bigger ones is more or less like industrial machine. It is 3 phase. Meanwhile, let me quickly say something about this pelletizer. If you buy it, you're going to fill inside here with oil, with engine oil. Some people used to put condemn oil, those bad used engine oil, but don't do that. Put on use. You open here, you fill it with oil. This tank you're seeing, this tank downward, is to be filled with oil. Then when it has worked for many years, you want to drain the oil. You open this nut, you drain it just the way you are servicing generator. And that's how pelletizers used to work. When we bought it newly, we didn't know all those things. You have to fill here with oil and so many other things. And then we didn't know that. You see this machine now? This one has these things. Yeah. These things is converting this machine to a single phase. If you buy the one that doesn't have these things, it means it is 3 phase. That 3 phase means that those 3 electric cable that is passing up in the streets in Nigeria, you know, when you look up in the electric pole, you see 4 wires, 3 phase, 1 earth. The 3 phase machines means that 3 phase that passes up, all that 3 phase must enter inside the machine. And that 3 currents, the blue, yellow, black lines of electricity, when you have your house where you are changing your fuse, that place you change your fuse, all those wires, they must have light at the same time, and the 3 lights must enter inside the machine for the 3 phase to work. So that's why I'm advising, if you want to buy a single phase. We have three phase machine. It's more powerful, it's more bigger, it produces faster, but if there's no light in one of the line, the machine will not work. So, as you know, in our country, Nigeria, there are times when this 3 phase is only 1 phase that we have light. Sometimes 2 phase we have light. If 2 phase have light, you cannot use the machine. But these ones that are single phase, 1 phase have light, you can switch to 1 phase and it will work. I see, you can just change your fuse in your house the way you used to change your fuse when there's no light. You can change your fuse in your house, and these smaller ones will work, though it may not produce much. But now time that they do something, so now time, dedicate time to what you want to do. If it's 6 hours you want to create or pelletize, it's be pelletizing is small, rather than having a 3 phase machine and then there is light in 2 phase and then there's no light in 1 phase, then it will not work. You may have light in your house, your machine will not work because you are having only 1 phase or 2 phase of light. Are you seeing it? So that's something we learned from experience. If I want to buy again, I will not buy a 3 phase, even though it's bigger, more powerful, produce more in a short time. The effectiveness, you used to produce more tons in a short time, but you can have light and you can't use the machine. It's an industrial machine. And they just have to be light on that 3 phase, and that one, a generator cannot carry it. The normal generator we have, even though you buy a 10 kVA generator, a 12 kVA generator, those I don't want to mention their name, you know, those normal generators we used to buy for house, in the house, an average person's house, those generators cannot carry it because they are single phase generator. If you want to buy a generator that will carry those 3 phase machine, you have to buy all those Jubilee Bros, those big gen that banks used to use. Those ones are 3 phase gen. They can carry that one. But for this one that is a single phase, this is the difference. If you see the machine, it has these three things. These three things. It has this. I think it's capacitor they call it. Yeah, the machine originally is three-phase, but they converted it. See the conversion wire here. They converted it with capacitor. I think that's the language, the word, to become single phase. Are you seeing it? The difference is that now that they have converted it, the power is not so much. So it is to carry a smaller machine. You see this thing, this die is inside there. No, this round thing has two. It has two inside. Yeah, some has three, some has four. Are you seeing it? Those ones that have four, you cannot use a single phase machine for them. I think our own is having four. You can't use single phase machine for them. The power will not be able to move it. Are you seeing it? So when I bought our own, it took me time to go and get an electrician to now rearrange wire in the top, and I was testing it in the house before I would take it to its permanent site. So I have to labor to get it fixed, so that to get my electricity fixed before I can test it. Are you seeing it? And sometimes there will be light. One phase will not have light because of transformer problem. There's what we call transformer in Nigeria. the transformer, one fuse will burn. So the whole area will have only two lines. When they have two lines, the machine cannot work. So you will be rushing, thinking that light has come. Let me quickly pelletize some kind of things that have dried down since. There's light, your machine won't work. But this one, this single phase, is not so. Once there's light, you will use it. You can use it. You just connect it, it will work. Are you seeing it? It will work. And then there is something else I would have loved to say, but that other one is not here. I've already showed the reason, the differences. If you open here in the three phase, you will see 3 knot or 6 knob. Either 3 knob or 6 knob. You know that's three phase. But if you open a single phase, you see only 2 knob. 2 knob means 2 wire, negative and positive. That wire down there is negative and positive. Yeah, this is the mouth. Yes, it has just 2 negative and positive. Are you seeing it? So all you need is to put a fuse head on it, and then maybe 15 amps fuse head, and connect it to the wall socket. It will be working because this is a small capacity pelletizing machine, but it is more compatible to Nigeria. It's more compatible to Nigeria. Instead of buying the bigger one, there will be light, you can't use it. You can buy the smaller one. Anytime there's light, you'll be using it. You'll be using it and to be going. And the pelletizer is not so difficult to use. Once you mix your substance down, even a child can be putting the substance in. He will just stand beside it and putting it in, and the thing will just be coming out. It's like having fun, you know. The same thing with this chaff cutter. This is a chaff cutter. A chaff cutter. Yeah, I just finished coupling it. But this down stuff there, it has small faults. I want to go and give it to those generator guys, let them fix it. I think that was a factory fault. When it came, this cord, this rope to draw it out, that was out. There's a rope used in drawing the generator, it was out like this. So the spring, there's a spring inside there. The generator guys will just lose it and couple the spring back and then to be working. So this is a chaff cutter. You put in the grasses from here, the grasses enters here, then it comes out from here. Are you seeing it? And this is what you're using, determining how you want the grass to go. This is the mouth. You want it to come down, you bend it down. You want it to go up, you bend it down. Now, this chaff cutter has a jar. This is neutral. This center is neutral. This side is bigger. You want a bigger substance to come out, you put it here. You want the smaller substance to come out, you put it here. So it has 2 kinds of sizes. Yeah, you want a bigger size, you put it on this side. You want a smaller size, you put it on this side. So that's chaff cutter. The reason why we are getting all this machine, or this man is getting all this machine, is because he has a sample of the brachiaria grass in that place. We got some brachiaria grass. This one that is sown, I pray my phone should not be skipping. A sample of brachiaria grass in that place. So, and there's another big land somewhere, about 10 plots, 100 by 100 into 10. He has it somewhere dead. So you want to plant the brachiaria in that place and then be cutting it, making silage or hay. If it dries it, it will turn it to pellets. Yes. These are the two generals. They are the people managing the farm. They are big boys, so they are big boys in Benin City, but they are managing this farm with fun. I seen it. So we are here where the goats are. Where are they? How are you guys doing? Yeah, we are here where they are. Because their brachiaria has not grown so big, so they leave this one, so they put them on a kind of a zero grazing, and then there they are. Those are the goats. Yeah, the goats. More are coming actually. Okay, they have done some kind of differences here. Okay, that's the kids pen. They got some kids pen there. You climb up, the kids will sleep there. Oh, that's even big enough for all the adults. The kids will sleep there, and then yeah, they're swept. See the mark of broom on the floor. See the mark of broom? There's a mark of broom on the floor. That's to show you how effective. When you come to your farm, that's one of the things you check. You check inside your pen. You see how they work as if they've swept. If you see greenish poop on the ground, staining the ground, you know they've not been sweeping for some time. But if they've been sweeping, this is where we used to spray them. This is spraying yard. They have to floor here. I don't know why they floor here, but this is where we used to spray them. When we come here, we used to spray them inside here. I can't open it. What happened? Okay. This is the spraying room. This is where we used to spray them, but they have done some kind of flooring on the floor there. I don't know why, which is not supposed to be. But anyhow, they know why they floored that place. They didn't floor all these other areas. I think they kind of made kind of elevation there. That elevation, maybe for the animals to be sleeping where there's no cold, but there's a bad sign in the under. You see those under, they're supposed to be sweeping it with long broom out. Since this one is not so long, it's not so wide, the broom can reach inside. The broom can reach inside and sweep it out. Yes, which is supposed to be a daily routine. They swept here so fine, but under that slated room or slated floor, it wasn't swept so fine. This is another exit through the back to some other compartment over there. Okay, the divider there. Okay. Yeah, I think okay, because of rain. Yeah. Okay, they have this here. Then they are feeding these guys inside here. Maybe when rain is coming, they have to be there. Maybe they put them for rain, but they need to be sweeping the under there. They need to be sweeping that under. Meanwhile, yeah, that's that. Okay, their salt lick is there. So I'm going to hide here because of sun. I don't want sun to be hitting my phone. It used to give it a dirty, negative this thing. So this is Animal Paradise. We are here at this farm. What's going on now? Some of these goats used to be more than this. I don't know what happened here. They only told me only 2 baby goats died, but the numbers should be more than this. Maybe they transported it to another direction. Okay,